Okay, picture this. You wake up one morning, super hungry, and decide, you know what? Today I'm going to eat 100 pizzas. Sounds crazy, right? But what would actually happen to your body if you tried? Spoiler, it's not going to end with a happy food coma. Let's set the stage. An average pizza, medium size, has about 2,000 calories. Now multiply that by 100. That's 200,000 calories in a single day. For comparison, the average adult only needs about 2,000 calories per day. So you're basically cramming 100 days worth of food into 24 hours. But it's not just about calories. We're also talking about 80 to 100 pounds of food. That's heavier than a small child, all stuffed inside your stomach. So let's walk through this wild scenario step by step. At first, things don't seem so bad. Pizza is delicious. Cheese, sauce, crust, all those toppings. Your stomach expands naturally to hold food. In fact, it can stretch to hold about a liter of stuff comfortably, around 4 cups. Push it, and it might stretch to about 4 liters, or a whole gallon of food. That's about 2 large pizzas max before you're really uncomfortable. So after pizza number 3 or 4, you're already bloated, your stomach feels like it's about to pop, and your body is sending emergency signals. Stop eating now! Let's pretend you ignore those signals and keep going. By pizza number 10, you're at 20,000 calories. Your stomach is way past its safe capacity. You'd probably be vomiting non-stop. Your esophagus would burn from stomach acid, and you'd feel dizzy and weak. But here's the big problem: sodium. Each pizza has about 2,000 milligrams of salt. Times 100, that's 200,000 milligrams or 200 grams of sodium. The safe daily limit is around 2 grams, so you're eating 100 times the safe limit. This much sodium would cause extreme dehydration, sky-high blood pressure, and could push your kidneys into failure. Let's just imagine somehow your body magically doesn't reject all this food. If every single pizza actually stayed inside, your digestive system would basically shut down. Your stomach lining could tear from the sheer volume. Your intestines would be overwhelmed trying to process all that fat, sugar, and salt. The fat alone is terrifying. One pizza has around 80 grams of fat. Times 100, that's 8,000 grams, 8 kilos of fat in one day. Your blood would be so full of fat molecules it would look milky under a microscope. That could trigger pancreatitis, a painful and often deadly condition. And then there's glucose. The carbs from the dough and sauce would spike your blood sugar to dangerous levels, risking coma or organ damage. So what's the ultimate outcome of eating 100 pizzas in a day? Realistically, you wouldn't make it past maybe 5 to 10 pizzas before your body forces you to stop, either by vomiting or just shutting down your appetite completely. But if you actually did push all 100 inside, the combination of stomach rupture, salt poisoning, and fat overload would almost certainly be fatal. In short, eating 100 pizzas in one day is not a record you want to break. So the next time you're craving pizza, maybe just stick with 1 or 2 slices. Your body and your future self will thank you. This what if shows us just how delicate our systems are and how even something delicious can become dangerous in extreme amounts. So, what's the craziest food challenge you think you could survive? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. And if you enjoyed this wild ride through pizza science, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss more crazy what-if scenarios. Because who knows, maybe next time, we'll explore what happens if you drink 1,000 energy drinks in a day.